Before beginning any demolition project, get yourself into the mindset that demolition is a project in itself, not just a means of getting to the real project. Whether you're planning a bathroom remodel, kitchen upgrade, or new construction, demolition must be safely completed first. Here are the main safety steps you should follow before beginning your project. Step 1. Focus on one thing at a time so you don't get ahead of yourself. If you rush things and fail to complete each step properly, it could lead to safety issues or mistakes that end up costing you. Step 2. Whether your demolition is interior or exterior, be sure to protect your home. This is most commonly done by covering areas and items with plastic sheeting or tarps, and doing anything else you need to do to be sure your property is not damaged during demolition. Step 3. Turn off all power in the work area. If you need to use power tools, utilize an extension cord to safely power them wherever you're working. Step 4. Before tearing into a wall, make sure you know what's behind it first. Blindly tearing into a wall that contains electrical and plumbing is flat out dangerous. Step 5. Pick up your mess as you go to keep your site clean, organized, and most importantly, safe. Dumpsters are a great option for disposing of demolition debris and come in many sizes to meet your project's specific needs. Step 6. Go into your project prepared with the right tools and safety equipment. If you don't have the necessary equipment or the ability to safely handle the work, hire the right person to handle it for you. We recommend getting quotes from at least 3 different contractors before choosing one so you can be sure you get the best services for the best price. Let Hometown help you find the right contractor for your project today.